If you have oily and acne prone skin, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone, my name is Deepti and today I'm going to show you some amazing products which I have been using from past 15 days and I have seen a tremendous reduction in my acne. And these products are from the brand Inveda. So let me tell you something about this brand. So this brand is made from 100% organic and Ayurvedic ingredients, and the best thing about this brand is that it is made in India and we should all buy Indian made products, right? And these products have no paraben, no alcohol, 100% vegan and cruelty free. That means no animal was harmed during the making of these products. So 15 days back I got this acne treatment kit which includes these 3 products. So let me tell you in the order of usage. So the first product of this kit is the Neem & Gotukola face wash. Neem, as everybody knows, has antibacterial property which really helps in treating acne. The second key ingredient of this face wash is Gotukola. Gotukola is a special kind of plant which also helps in treating acne, and it also reduces the damage which normally happens when you get a lot of acne. So what happens with a lot of face washes which are there in market and which are specifically meant for acne skin is that they have certain kind of ingredients which makes the skin super dry and super dehydrated that you quickly want to go and grab some moisturizer. But this thing doesn't happen with this face wash. So what this face wash does is that it gently takes out all the dirt and all the bacteria from your pores, and it cleans your face, removing all the dead skin cells which are there on your skin, which is the main reason why you're having acne. So this face wash comes with around 100 ml of product, which I guess is pretty decent, and let me tell you, the fragrance is very nice and very soothing. So all those people who are very sensitive to fragrance, you are not going to have any issue with this. The second product of this kit is the Healing Day Care Cream, and from the packaging you can see it has a very luxurious packaging, and even the quantity is pretty decent what you get. Even if you have oily and acne prone skin, moisturization is an important part of your daily skincare regime. So what most of the people who have oily and acne prone skin is that they completely skip the moisturizing step, thinking that their skin is already oily and they don't need any external moisturizer on their face. Honestly, even I used to think that, but not anymore with this amazing product in my hand. The key ingredients of this Healing Day Care Cream are lavender and almond, which make the skin super soft and hydrated throughout the day. And this is how the product looks like. It has a very soft and creamy texture, and once you apply it, it gets completely absorbed in your skin, and your skin doesn't feel any sticky or oily after you apply it. The third product of this kit is the Anti-Acne Blend. Honestly, this is the star of this kit because this product is infused with lavender and tree tea oil. Tree tea oil, as everybody knows, it is a medicine for acne, and what exactly it does is that it reduces the sebum production of your skin, making your skin less oily and ultimately less acne. This product comes with this kind of glass bottle, and it has around 10 ml of product, and it has this kind of applicator which makes it very easy to apply. So let me quickly tell you how exactly I use these products.
So I use this Neem & Gotukola face wash twice a day, once in morning and once at night before sleeping, and it thoroughly cleanses my face. After I pat dry my skin, I go for the second step in which I apply the Healing Day Care Cream. I put it all over my face and massage it until it gets completely absorbed. This cream makes my skin super soft and super glowing without making it oily. Now at night, again after washing my face with the Neem & Gotukola face wash, I use 2 to 3 drops of anti-acne blend and apply it all over my face. An important point which I need to mention is that you need to avoid sun exposure after you use this oil, so that's why I prefer to use this oil at night. If you are someone with a very sensitive skin, then you can mix this cream with this oil and use it all over your face. So this completes your night skincare regime.
With 15 days of experience of using these products, I can confidently say that these products have done wonders to my skin by reducing acne, and as you can see, only few ones are left while the others have completely dried up, and even the scars are also fading. Now my skin doesn't feel that much oily as it used to feel. So I totally recommend to all those people who have acne skin. So I bought these products before Diwali at an amazing price, which I think is still going on. So I think you should not miss this opportunity and quickly go and grab these products. So you can buy these products from their website, which is www.inveda.in, and there are some other special discounts which are going on, like buy one get one free, and there are some additional discounts if you make a prepaid order. Bring back your confidence and show your true skin with these amazing Inveda products.